discipline. Self-worth is the internal and unconditional belief that you are a valuable, capable, and deserving person, separate from external factors and achievements. It is understanding that your inherent value is not based on factors like your success, appearance, relationships, or achievements, but instead your existence itself. Having a good sense of self-worth provides a stable foundation for confidence and well-being. Discipline, on the other hand, is the practice of training oneself to control behavior, resist procrastination, and to be able to do the right thing at the right time. It involves self-control and the ability to be able to perform tasks without giving in to temptation. Studying these terms will make them seem and feel like they have one thing in common. But if you want to think of it, they do have one thing in common. There are responsibilities to be carried out by you and no one else. Discipline is very crucial in our daily life. It is mandatory for each and every one of us to have discipline. It takes discipline to be able to sit down and think. It takes discipline to be able to move out on time. It takes discipline to be able to hold yourself when you know this thing is wrong, so I'm not going to do it. It takes discipline to be able to keep your mouth shut when your elders are talking, or to be able to not be rude to your elders. With self-worth, you will understand that it also brings self-respect. Self-worth requires, with self-worth, you'll be able to walk into the head of your car. With self-worth, you'll be able to understand that your opinion matters. With self-worth, you'll be able to know that, oh, yes, I'm going to be myself no matter what anyone says. To conclude my brief, I would like to remind us all that perfection is not artistic, and discipline takes a ton of responsibility and time. So please, I implore us all to be patient with ourselves and be proud of